Welcome to the Token Times, your best source of crypto news. In today's news, BlackRock's investment director reveals key dates for Bitcoin price. Deutsche Bank makes major move into crypto space with investments in German companies. Large investors will employ this strategy to acquire more Cardano, Polygon, and Polkadot. U.S. crypto regulations, short-term pain, long-term gain? Why Solana is poised for a strong recovery. Siberia to become a haven for cryptocurrency mining companies with government incentives. Global Bitcoin shuts down P2P cryptocurrency market. CoinCloud files for bankruptcy. Take your wallet, it's crypto time. According to Bloomberg reports, the giant bank Deutsche Bank is planning to make significant investments in German crypto companies as part of its growth strategy. The bank has been in talks with Galaxy Digital, the company led by billionaire Mike Novogratz, to partner in these investments, according to bank executives. This is the ideal time to invest in crypto infrastructure, as we are experiencing the final stages of the crypto winter. Jump Crypto, a well-known investment fund, has explained why the current price of Solana is not real. In their latest report to investors, they declared that almost all metrics of Solana have returned to pre-FTX collapse levels, even with some NFT projects leaving its network. The metrics show that activity within its blockchain has grown since the start of 2023. They also highlight that Solana has had some important updates and is working on new validator nodes that will greatly improve its technology. Therefore, the current price of the cryptocurrency is undervalued and more dependent on the macroeconomic situation than on Solana itself. They predict a significant recovery for the crypto asset as the cryptocurrency market situation improves throughout this year. Rick Rieder, the global investment director of BlackRock, the world's largest investment fund, stated in an interview with Yahoo Finance that there are essentially three stages or cycles in the markets. The first is the expansion stage, which in the case of the cryptocurrency market took place between 2021 and 2022. The second is the accelerated contraction stage, which took place in 2022. Currently, we are in the third stage of decelerating contraction, meaning that the market will continue with the contraction, but to a lesser extent, or in other words, it is the final stage of the crypto winter. According to BlackRock, in the short term, the price of Bitcoin will be defined between February 14th when inflation data in the United States is published and March 22nd when the Federal Reserve will announce its stance on interest rate hikes. In the long term, everything will depend on whether the United States will have a mild or severe recession. If there is a mild recession, this has already been discounted by the markets in 2022, so if there is a mild recession, the stock market and cryptocurrency market will rise. Messari, the blockchain data company, said that whales or large investors have slowed down their accumulation of coins like Cardano, Polygon, and Polkadot. However, despite having the ability to sell everything accumulated in previous months and take profits, they haven't and have moved their coins to cold wallets or put them in staking. And not only Messari, but companies like WealthStats reported that whales are not leaving the cryptocurrency market but rather accumulating stablecoins. For Messari specialists, all this data indicates that while large investors are buying less, they are also accumulating liquidity in stablecoins waiting for some negative event that will cause short-term price drops to buy Cardano, Polygon, and Polkadot again. This can be known because the wallets of the large investors in these three cryptocurrencies are the same that have been accumulating stable coins in recent days. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to always stay up to date on the most important crypto news. And turn on notifications. The Russian government has announced that they will mine cryptocurrencies in Siberia and create a digital version of gold. They will offer lower tax rates and electricity costs to cryptocurrency mining companies that set up in Siberia, as the low temperatures in the region will reduce the need for cooling systems and save energy. The government has also offered these companies zero property taxes. Additionally, the government will establish its own mining operation in partnership with BitRiver, the largest cryptocurrency mining company in Russia. This joint public and private venture will have 30,000 mining machines and will employ 100 workers initially. On the other hand, Rosebank, a Russian bank, has created a digital or tokenized version of gold which can be exchanged for rubles. According to Rosebank, the government has already given approval for the launch of this digital asset, which will allow citizens to save in tokenized gold if they choose to do so. The regulations in the United States could soon impact the cryptocurrency market. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has heard rumors that regulators in the U.S. want to prohibit staking for small investors. Staking involves depositing a cryptocurrency or token through a smart contract to earn interest on the amount deposited and, according to U.S. laws, any financial instrument that promises interest returns must be fully regulated. Jake Serbinsky, the director of blockchain policies, confirmed that he also heard the same from reliable sources. Crypto analyst Nike Carter stated that the U.S. will launch its latest attempt to slow down the cryptocurrency industry by limiting investment in cryptocurrencies by banks and breaking the connection between exchanges and banks. However, he mentioned that when these regulations are finally released, they will only affect prices in the short term as banks and credit cards are entering the cryptocurrency market with force at the international level. Finally, he commented that this was something that all large investment funds were expecting, so it won't be as negative as many want to make it seem. Global Bitcoin announced the closure of its P2P cryptocurrency market after 10 years of operation, stating that due to the cryptocurrency winter, they have been forced to close and warning users to withdraw their funds by February 2024. On the other hand, CoinCloud, the largest cryptocurrency ATM company in the world, has declared bankruptcy under Chapter 11 of the U.S. Bankruptcy Code. During the cryptocurrency winter, CoinCloud accumulated debts that it was unable to cover. That was all for today. Thanks and see you in the next video.